Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So let's talk about great surprises, okay? So you guys could tell I moved down into the garage where I keep my car, okay? And during the move, you know, stuff gets jumbled up, stuff gets missing, stuff gets found. Speaking of finding something. So I'm moving down, got a bunch of books, and this book falls on the floor. And this is the book. Stunning 3D Quilts by Ruth Ann Berry. This book, I never opened it, and I think this was gifted to me by one of you guys. So I'm like, man, the cover, just alone the cover, I was like, wow, that looks kind of good. So I pick up the book, I open the book up, and I'm like so inspired, and I'm floored. So I'm flipping through pages, and I'm like, oh man, the possibilities. And I find this pattern. It's called Floated. All right, so the colors aren't really, I'm sorry, Ruth, but these colors aren't really grabbing, but it's the pattern that grabbed me, okay? And you could do so much and so many things with half square triangles. I mean, this thing is like half square triangles on steroids. So I look at this, and then I'm like, man, she even gives you the details on the page on what size, on your cuts for what size quilt you want, right? So you guys know I love big quilts. If it's not big, it's not a quilt to me, okay? I love big quilts because I love giving my quilts to people that I love and care for, all right? And I want them to use the quilt, all right? I don't believe in putting quilts on walls. I mean, if that's your thing, if it floats your boat, rock with it, but it's not me. I want to build it, get it out of here, and get it to someone who deserves it, or really, just get it out of here for me. So I started on it, right? And I'm sorry I didn't go step by step with you guys because I was so excited to get on it, and I kind of wanted to do something for me, all right? This is the very first time that I've built a quilt, I think, and I wanted to keep it. I've never felt that way about a quilt, never. It's not something that I do. It's not my DNA, you know. I'm a giver, and most quilters, as you know, are givers. And this is what we created. Let's take a look. Look at this thing. This thing came out pretty good, all right? So I'm not done with it, obviously. I've got my strips down, all right? And I still need to put these pieces together. They're just pieced up on the display board. But yeah, this thing came out really nice. So I used some, this fabric, this dark fabric is called Black Confetti. We have silver, yeah, I'm not sure what that is. But I have these are all in the store, okay? Go to the store, buy something, create something, okay? So these reds were awesome, all right? So are you looking for, now, the pattern called for staying in the same general color pattern, right? Like, so this should have been the mixture of the grays, but you know I'm a weirdo, and you know I'm gonna make a left turn somewhere. So I figured making the left turn in the center would be pretty cool, making it a different color than the rest of them. And I thought it came out pretty good. We're not done yet. We still need to attach our strips together, but we are well on our way. So what we're gonna do is, on the next video that we produce, I'm going to show you the cuts that I made, all right? Because I still need to produce some more of this confetti to finish off the other side. So all it called for was, 5-inch strips cut with, I think it's a 6-degree triangle, all right? And it just falls together. It's really easy to do. So once we get done with this, we're going to do another one, okay? Because I'm digging this quilt. I really am. But, just like everything else that I have, I'm going to give it away. But this is the first quilt that I ever thought about keeping because I enjoyed it and I like it. The 3D look is really, really nice. So as you can see on the camera, it's showing very well. The naked eye, you're like, ugh. But on the camera, it really, really pops, okay? So look, when we come back, we'll cut some strips. We'll cut out some half squares, I guess, or some triangles to make half squares with. And I'll show you how we did it, all right? But we're gonna do one from beginning to end and out of the same book, all right? So don't forget, if you pick this book up or you have this book on a shelf somewhere, grab it. I mean, she does a really great job in keeping you on track, giving you the precise cuts that you need, all right? And she just lays it out for you. And the colors are there, but you can make a left turn. I love to follow direction, but I don't follow rules, okay? So this is a good book. So if you can pick it up, grab it, you're gonna be happy with it, and your imagination is gonna pop. If you need inspiration, this is a great book to go with, because this book made me run down here and start quilting right away, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.